I feel a cold flush going through my hair and
Hello, this is Drumming Fanatics. Just going to be bringing you a quick way, easy way, no software included, of actually making iPhone 3GS or iPhone ringtones. There is an app for it. You have to pay 59p though, and there is another app which is free. I would have brought you a review, but I can't because I ain't got a video camera. Right, let's just pick a song. Go, just say Sabian, pick fire, right click, go to get info, go to options, go down, go to start time, click stop time, and change it to the seconds that you want on your song. So just say I want 30 seconds, press enter, play the song, and it should only play 30 seconds. I'm just going to skip to 25. And there we go, go to the next song. There we go, listen to it. 24 seconds, 25, 26. And then you know that it's ready to go to advanced, create AAC version. Once you hear that noise, then you know it's actually made you the version. Just simply go into your music library, type in the song, and it's got the normal one, and you just right click on that again, get info, options, and then just change it back to what it was, which is 3 minutes 59 seconds. There we go. And then simply just make your iTunes library smaller, drag that to your desktop, and just rename it. And as you can see, it's only the highlighted fire. You need to delete the A, put an R, and it will pop up with if you want to change your file name extension. Click yes. This means it's compatible with iPhones now. And go to ringtones, drag it to your ringtones, and it should be in there. And then let me just plug in my iPhone. I've just unplugged my iPod, and now I'm plugging in my iPhone. Right, my iPhone is plugged in and ready to sync. So I'm just going to sync that, so you know that this works. You got to go to ringtones and just highlight your song. Go to apply, and it should apply. Ringtone won't take a second. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Check out my friend's channel, MusicMan3340, and also check out Cham Chong. He's class, amazing. He also does giveaways and everything. So, and if you're interested in what kind of things I'm teaching, you go to Soldier Knows Best. He's quite good. Shows you all the new tech stuff, and now the sync is finished. I'm gonna go to my iPhone settings, and I'm actually gonna put on the ringtone. You go to settings and sounds, and simply just click on the song that you just sing, and which is Fire, and it's done. It's really simple and no software included, and that's pretty much it. Subscribe, rate, comment, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.